Hey guys, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Sunday afternoon, November 5th, in case anybody's following along and keeping track. We have a little bit less than 60 days until the beginning of the new year. Okay, so I'm showing up for you today live. You can see my necklaces are a mess, but that's okay. I wanted to check in and see what you're doing. Like, seriously, what are you up to? I am just about to hit the yoga mat, stretch out my mind, stretch out my body, relax from the inside out. Did you know, my friends, that yoga is one of the things you can do to heal your nervous system? Think about that. All of the years of trauma, of the layering effects, of the messages that you've heard over and over and over again, something as simple as yoga is part of that healing journey. It's amazing, isn't it? If you stop and think of it that way, that slowing down is actually part of the recipe of getting ahead. So when you think about not all of, but the majority of the activities that help heal your nervous system, it's all about slowing down. Walks, journaling, getting out in nature, vitamin D, yoga, to name a few, friends. Oh, meditation, just to name a few. Where are you putting these in your day to day? Are you doing them at all? Are they an afterthought? Is it something that you do if you feel like it? Do you even do things that you feel like? Or are you so much on autopilot doing the things that you need to do that you cannot stop and recognize what it is that is an autopilot? Sit with that for a second. So earlier today, I journaled. I journaled about 5 pages in my journal, and then I let the tears flow. I let the feelings be what they were. After that, I nurtured my head and just laid on the couch. Made a nice cozy lunch, a little nostalgic grilled cheese. Made as healthy as we could using the right bread, and I used MCT flavored butter instead of butter. And it was delicious. I mean, grilled cheese and ham, ultimate comfort food. And it's so fitting for today, not just for those trapped emotions that were sitting there, which is why I was crying, but sometimes going back to comfort food and doing the things that make you feel good, right? If you think about it, your childhood, for the most part, was about play, was about slowing down, was about going with your gut and whatever comes your way. We don't live our adult lives like that. How many of us would want to? I mean, it's a day off. We got an extra hour today, not a day off, but we got an extra hour of our life today. And what are we doing about it? Besides recovering on the couch, trying to make up for last time. And actually, we get an extra hour. So we're not making up for anything, but yet that's the mindset, right? What are you doing to fuel your body from the inside out? How are you resting your mind? How are you stretching your body? And how are you just being in the moment? That's it today, guys. I am about to hit play on yoga. I'm gonna do a call afterwards, and I might do some painting, and then a bath, and then a book. Sounds like a perfect day for healing my internal nervous system. How about you? Because I know for a fact, once this gets healed, it's a game changer. And everybody will be Googling Ask Sonya. Ha! Okay, if you haven't done it yet, there's your homework. Literally Google hashtag Ask Sonya. I can't put it in the comments here, but hashtag AskSonya. And if you picked up anything today, if you liked what you learned, please follow, like, comment, you know the drill. And you know what? I'll see y'all tomorrow for Motivational Monday. Make it a great day.